Hi everyone, this is Balwan and welcome to my YouTube channel. It is a day 7 of English speaking challenge. So I hope you all are doing good and doing great thing in this new year 2026. Today I will talk about something very personal and what I have learned during last 6 days of English speaking challenge. So first, I will talk about before starting this channel or before starting this YouTube channel or challenge, what thoughts were in my mind. So first thought was how I will face camera, and as I, if you know, if you are introvert, then you even afraid of people. So facing camera, being an introvert is very difficult task. And second thing is I was even uh, unsure or I would say insecure about how I look. Like I recently gained 10 plus kg in last 3 to 4 months. So earlier I was thinking that first I should lose my weight, then I will start channel. And I am also aware that my level of speaking English is not as good as it's supposed to be. So people will criticize you about incorrect grammar, incorrect fluency, but and another thought was uh, how others will react. So all these thoughts and thinkings were coming, but one thing uh, I tell myself that time one thing I told myself that if you do not come out from comfort zone, then you will always remain in that zone. Staying at the same level is not growth. If you are at the same level or do not showing any progress, it doesn't mean that it is your flat life flat side or you are not facing downfall. But remaining in the same level is also a downfall. So if you want to grow in life, you have to come out from comfort zone. So yes, uh, I think it is 26 December or 27 December. I I collected my all courages and recorded video. So I know I am still learning, but I will now reflect what I have learned in last 6 days. So I watched my earlier video, first video, and now I also I watched the sixth video and tracking my improvement, like how it is going. So I won't say there is a drastically improvement. Like I become fluent in English or speaking confidently. Now I have come out from my introvert zone or facing stranger people confidently, but I would say there is a slight improvement in progress. Like now I am not afraid of recording camera on camera, and I am also facing new stranger people now. So I didn't get much comment on my videos, but I am open to all kind of positive negative comments in comment section. Also now I believe that uh, doing mistake is also a progress, and doing mistake, if you are doing mistake and improving those mistake, then you are in right path. Because if you are waiting for perfection, like uh, when I will lose my weight or when I become my hair regrow to my original shape, or like any other uh, limiting belief, like first I will practice at home in speaking English in front of mirror, and when I become fluent, then I will record the video, and then I will start the channel. All beliefs were limiting belief, and when you come out those limiting belief and conquer yourself and taking start taking step, then the real growth begins. So there are a long road to go ahead. I know my pronunciation is still not perfect, my grammar is still improving, and my fluency is still in progress. So there are a lot of things I have to work on, but I am happy that I have started and I am making mistake and I am improving those mistakes. So anyone who is watching this video, I just want to say that start taking action today. There is no perfect timing. The perfect time is now. You have to come out from your comfort zone and start take the action now, and you will see drastically change in the end of the 2026. So I hope you all learn something new in this video. So thank you for watching day 7 speaking English video, and let's meet tomorrow for day 8. And please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.